Okay, welcome back. It is day 167 of coding every day. Um, I had my exam today, and it went really bad. I won't lie. Um, the last two questions on the exam, I just never even saw while studying. Not even like something like close. Like the questions like related to it, yeah, I like seen, but the information that they gave was just like nowhere within the exam review, past exams. I went through like four past finals and then went to this year's, final review. And honestly, I was able to work through all that content pretty confidently. Um, and then, you know, went to the exam and there were just literally two entire questions out of six questions that I couldn't even give it an attempt. I just wrote down random stuff. Yeah. So, so off the bat, that's 20 points out of 60 taken off. So what? That's at best a 70. Um, and then I know I didn't ace those other four ones. I think one I did really well on. One was like true or false stuff that some of those true and falses I couldn't give reasoning, and that's like kind of what they mark most of it on. Like if you get it right, they give you like half a point, but you have to reason for it. And then the other um, the other questions were like kind of fine. Um, I think I messed up like on like there each one had like three parts to it. I think on like two of the first four, I messed up one of the parts and got the other two parts fine. So I mean, just like yeah, not good at all. Probably failed that class. So um, most definitely failed that class because I needed an average exam grade to pass that class, and I got a 20 on that first exam and then a 40 on the second exam. So it's like I need a good grade on this one and no shot. So really depressing. I won't lie. I wanted to, last video I said I wanted to do good and like start, summer break on a high note, and I just want to like, and to top it all off, I was up all night studying. So I got back and I slept from 1 1 to 10 p.m. So my sleep schedule is in the gutter. Um, yeah, so not good. As for what I did coding wise, I just did elite code. I hadn't done breath first search in a while, so um, and actually I know usually you have like an array of like visited, and you keep track of like, oh, if in visited, right, skip it. If not, add it to visited or whatever. Um, this one, because they give you like the maze, I just changed. If it was visited, I changed it to a wall. You know, don't want to like go back that way. So, so yeah. Which actually, if maybe that's not the best if there's a multi-directional maze, but I don't know what their inputs are. I don't know. Anyways, um, yeah, that's about it. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I don't know what my sleep schedule is. I don't know. I know I'm going either home tomorrow night or Saturday. Um, School's over, whatever. My roommate's pretty much already moved out, which kind of annoying because now I have to clean this whole place by myself because they just left. Um, but yeah. So, I mean, the good news is that I have a lot of free time now. 2 weeks until I go to Texas for the internship. Not even the research, I should say. And then, so we'll probably work on the knock thing and any other personal project that I don't know I want to work on. So, well, that is all I have for today. I will see you tomorrow for day 168. Take care. Bye.